Today, we will look at the text rewriter within Magic School. So like before, what you will do is you will go to your Magic Tools and you will either search by typing in text rewriter, or you can scroll down to all tools. I have it under most popular, but you can sort also by newest, A through Z, or Z through A. I will keep it at most popular. So when I scroll down, I'm looking for text rewriter, and I will select that button. Here is the text writer tool. It says to take any text and rewrite it with custom criteria however you'd like. So what I will do now is I am going to go to a website called Newsella. I found an article, Trump wants to scrap pennies. I will scroll down. I will take this first paragraph and I will copy it. And I will come back to Magic School. I will paste it here, just like that. Now, I can either speak it, I can attach something. If you have a PDF that you want to rewrite, you can upload the PDF, but I just did paste and copy a text. Now here at the bottom, how do you want Magic School to rewrite it? I will tell it, rewrite so that it uses simpler language that a beginning ESL adult learner can read. Now I will select generate to see how it rewrites it. So there you have it. Here is President Trump wants to stop making pennies. And so now it has been rewritten. And as for everything else, you can copy, edit, export, or even read it aloud to the students if you would like.